In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Firstly, on the right side menu, click Taxes, then select Sales Tax. If this is your first time, you'll see a prompt like Use Automatic Sales Tax. Click the green Use Automatic Sales Tax button and verify your business address. This is critical for accurate tax calculations. Indicate if you collect sales tax outside your state, and QuickBooks will guide you to the add-in tax agencies if applicable. After setup, QuickBooks will prompt you to create an invoice. Click the X to close this screen for now. More setup is needed first. You'll be asked to enter your sales tax, fill in frequency, monthly, quarterly, annually, etc. It's important to double-check your state's official Department for Revenue website for the correct fill-in frequency rather than relying solely on QuickBooks suggestions. Enter your verified fill-in frequency, then click Save. Your automatic sales tax setup is now active with basic settings. You can always go back later to adjust tax rates, agencies, or fill-in info if needed.